Today, we are setting up email authentication properly. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. I will show the exact records to add, how to verify them, and how to monitor the setup after it goes live. Start in Salesforce Setup. Open Email, then DKIM keys, and create a new key for the exact domain that appears in your from address. Use the selector Salesforce gives you, and keep the domain match pattern tied to that sending domain. For SPF, Salesforce is usually authorized with include:_spf.salesforce.com. Merge that into the existing SPF TXT record for the correct host. Do not create a second SPF record, and do not add the include if Salesforce is not sending mail for that domain. For DKIM, publish the two CNAME records from the Salesforce key detail page. The common mistake is duplicating the root domain in the host value, so copy the name and target exactly as your DNS provider expects. For DMARC, use Suped's DMARC record generator. Start with p=none if this domain is new to DMARC, and send aggregate reports to Suped so we monitor Salesforce traffic, failures, and enforcement readiness for you. After DNS propagates, return to Salesforce and verify the DKIM key by activating it. If verification fails, check the CNAME host, target, duplicated domain suffixes, and propagation delay before changing the record again. Send a real Salesforce email into Suped's email tester using the same feature your users rely on. Confirm the visible from domain, SPF result, DKIM D=domain, selector, and DMARC alignment from the actual headers. Once Salesforce passes, leave monitoring on for the domain. Salesforce authentication can break later through a new sandbox, org-wide address, email relay, or DNS change, and those failures should not wait for a manual recheck. Once authentication is passing, do not stop at the green check. Use Suped to generate the DMARC record, test real messages, and monitor the domain so broken senders turn into alerts.